Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let us discuss about difficulties faced by most of the traders in the trending market, that is delayed entry and early exit. Even I used to face this issue, and as a solution what I did, I changed my chart type. Earlier I used to use candlesticks, now I have shifted to Renko. Now most of you would not be knowing what this chart type is. So let us go to TradingView and explore this chart type. So I am on TradingView and I have opened the graph of Reliance. So this is Reliance 15-minute candlestick chart. Now as you can see, there is lot of noise in this chart. There is no definite trend. So if I want to see whether it is going upwards or downwards, I cannot have any conclusion. So as a solution, what I did, I changed this chart type from candles to Renko. Now what Renko is, we need to understand this chart type first. So when you go to this chart type Renko and select it, you will get this chart type on your screen. When you go to settings of this chart, you will have to select whether you want ATR, that is average trading range, or traditional. So this is the box size of Renko. So what I have kept, I selected traditional and kept box size as 10. Now you can backtest with different box sizes, so you will get different kind of results. Now based on your risk reward and your trading style, you can keep your box size. I have kept Reliance box size 10 as of now, and have a look what it is showing. So now this is Reliance chart. Let us compare it with traditional chart. So just zoom out. So this is the Renko chart, this is Renko chart, and this is the traditional chart. So this Renko chart looks much cleaner than this chart, right? Now how to use this chart? When we use Renko, there are two factors. First is box size and second is time. We saw box size earlier. Let us look again to it. You can select ATR or traditional mode. When I select traditional, I can keep my box size the way I want it. So if I want box size of 5, then I can keep box size of 5. But in ATR, it will calculate automatically and it will have box size based on ATR, that is average trading range. So based on my trading style, I kept box size of Reliance as 10. Now what does it mean? Now whenever Reliance moves 10 points in any direction, it will create a box. So when Reliance moves 10 points upward, it will create a green box. Again, when it moved further 10 points, it will create one more green box. So that is the box size. And second is time. Whenever Reliance moves 10 points and sustain 1 minute there. So giving let us take example. Earlier Reliance was 1970 and it moved 10 points upwards. It became 1980 and it sustained there for 1 minute, then there will be a green box. Reliance was there at 2000 level. It went up and sustained more than 1 minute. Now it can be 2020, but it sustained 2010 for a minute, so it will create a green box. Now this time frame you can change. Generally I use 1 second or 15 seconds. So whenever there is a move, I should not be losing because sometimes there are sudden moves. So if you select time frame of 1 minute or 5 minutes, there are chances that you will be losing some of the move. So I have kept this box time frame as 1 second. So whenever there is 10-point move in Reliance and it sustains there for 1 second, it will create a box. So it is as simple. Now let us compare these two. So when I look at the Renko chart, I would have taken entry. Now you can have your own rules for entry and exit. What I use is, after 2 consecutive green boxes I take entry, and whenever there are 2 consecutive red boxes I exit there. So my rules are very simple. I do not use any indicator in it. But when you use this, I was not able to capture most of the trend because of fear or something. Some indicator would be showing, okay, it has reached the resistance point or something. I used to exit early, and due to if I use this, these are 15-minute chart, so I may get confirmation somewhere here at 2015, but in this I'll get confirmation at 2000 level itself, and I have kept this as 1 second. So by 2000 level I would have entered, but in this I would have missed 15 to 20 points rally. So this is the second reason why I use this Renko chart. If you want some other example, the stocks which are very trending, so I have kept ready an example of this Adani Power, and what I have kept is box size of 2 and time of 1 second, and this is what I got. If we would have used the same strategy, we would have entered at 98 and exited at 159.65. So this chart type will allow you to capture maximum of the trend. So you can use this chart type, back test it, and you may comment down below how did you find results, whether it is better than candlesticks or not. And if you have any further queries regarding Renko, you can comment down below. I have few strategies of Renko. In future videos I'll be sharing it with you. So there are some techniques where in Renko you can avoid this sideways market. So in future I'll make video for that as well. If you feel there was any value addition with this video, please share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.